Want to escape money stress, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and move toward real financial freedom? Here are 25 steps you can start using today and create a stronger future.
Number one, know your income. You can't control money you don't understand, so start by knowing exactly how much comes in each month. Number two, track every expense. Small spending can destroy big goals, especially when you don't notice where your money is going. Number three, create a monthly budget. Give every dollar a purpose. Give every dollar a purpose so your money works with your goals instead of disappearing. Number four, spend less than you earn. This is the foundation of wealth, because saving and investing only happen when you keep a gap between income and spending. Number five, stop buying to impress people. Looking rich is not the same as being rich, and trying to impress others can keep you broke.
Number six, build an emergency fund. Start with $500, then grow it to 3 to 6 months of expenses, so unexpected problems don't destroy your finances.
Number seven, pay off high-interest debt. Debt can steal your future income, so focus on removing the most expensive balances first.
Number eight, stop unnecessary subscriptions. If you don't use it, cancel it. Small monthly charges add up faster than you think.
Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income rises, don't upgrade everything at once, or your extra money will disappear.
Number 10, set clear financial goals. Know exactly what you're working toward, whether it's saving, investing, paying off debt, or buying a home.
Number 11, learn financial basics. Money knowledge can change your life, and the more you understand, the better decisions you can make. Increase your income. Learn skills that the market pays for, because earning more gives you more options and more freedom. Number 13, start a side hustle. One income is risky, so build an extra stream that can help you save, invest, or pay off debt faster. Number 14, save automatically. Pay yourself first by setting up automatic transfers. Do this before you have a chance to spend it.
Number #15, invest consistently. Time in the market beats waiting for the perfect moment, so stay consistent even when the market feels uncertain.
Number 16, diversify your investments. Don't put everything in one place, because spreading your money helps reduce risk. Number 17, avoid get-rich-quick scams. Fast money often creates fast losses, so be careful with anything that promises easy wealth.
Number 18, buy assets, not just liabilities. Make your money work for you by putting it into things that can grow in value or generate income.
Number 19, control emotional spending. Don't shop just because you're stressed, bored, or frustrated, because emotions can wreck your budget.
Number 20, set financial boundaries. You don't have to say yes to every money request, especially if it hurts your own goals.
Number 21, protect your money. Use insurance. Keep your accounts secure, and build financial protection before problems happen.
Number 22, review your finances monthly. What gets measured gets improved, so check your progress and adjust your plan regularly.
Number 23, surround yourself with smart people. Your environment influences your financial habits, so spend time with people who encourage growth.
Number 24, stay patient. Financial freedom is built slowly, and steady progress matters more than quick results. Number 25, never stop learning and investing. Keep improving your money skills and keep putting your money to work, because your future self will thank you. Financial freedom isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about making better money decisions every single day and staying consistent long enough to see results. Start with step 1 today.